This is what you call 510. It's from Adidas. And I saw this really cool Adidas mountain bike, so I'm also selling this. Hi Kakolek! Ito na naman another video. So I just went to the storage and got some new items to sell. Well, first is I need to look at them because I don't really remember all of them. So these are the ones from storage, and they're all loose items. So if you notice, the containers are, these are shoe boxes, and you know, let's try to open one so you'll have an idea. And those are my cars, and I will be reviewing and hopefully posting them soon in the channel. A lot of cars, if you see multiples, because they were all unparted. So hopefully we'll get to post them and find them new homes. So this used to be my CD case. Now for the millennials who don't know what a CD is, compact disc. I'm just kidding. I know you guys know that. So this used to be my compact disc case, which I converted to a loose Hot Wheels container. So now I don't know if I'm gonna go through these boxes and make videos. So I'm not sure because they're in plastic. So if I'm gonna pick them out one by one, you know. Well, okay, I'll try. I'll see if it's something you guys like. Please comment if you're interested for me to go through these cars. These are cars that I swap wheels, like this one. But you know, for you to appreciate, you need to remove it from the plastic. So the guys who are waiting for specific cars, they might be here. This, yeah. Okay, so I can go make a video of this, and I probably post it before I can make the video. So if you want, let's open one more. So there's 3 kinds of containers. So this, the other one is a smaller shoe container. Again, these are all loose cars, individually placed in plastic. So it's a combination. I think these are all European cars, Lamborghini, and then some are all, you know. So Lamborghini, it's a mix. There's so muscle cars and Lamborghinis in this particular box. So Lamborghini collectors, I can start posting that. So let me know, comment if you want me to make individual videos of, you know, sorting each container separately. If you want me to do that, please write a comment with the video and like and subscribe to the channel. Please invite your friends. I really appreciate if you more people can, you know, be part of the community and watch the videos and join me in my journey of documenting and finding new homes for all these diecast toys. I just want to include also maybe somebody's, because I'm trying to sell, because I do mountain bike before, and I saw this really cool Adidas mountain bike, so I'm also selling this. I got it from Ross, so you already have an idea. It's 10.5. So anybody looking for mountain bike or skateboard shoes, so 10.5 is, I think in reality Philippines that's 9. This is more of 11. This was the one that fits me. This is more my size. So this is what you call 510. It's from Adidas. I'll try posting this in the page. Maybe some of you are also, some collectors are also ride mountain bikes too. So we'll see, maybe this is something that you'd like. Let me know. This is smaller. It has this and some metal thing, so you can use it for your mountain bike. It's really strong, waterproof. It's not breathable in the front because it's like rubber, but there are holes. Yeah, so won't show the price, blur the price. But if you're interested, write a comment. I'm also sending that. Okay, that's about it. Let me know. I'll probably be posting them, but if you want me to go through them one by one, write in the comment and I'll make videos of them before I start posting them. Okay guys, so this is the fourth batch of diecast. I think this is gonna take a lot because there's a lot of them before I get a new box from the storage where I have all my toys. Alright, thank you guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye, see you in the next one.